So about 10 days ago we did the repair on this Midland 3001 just before Christmas, so now Mr Chippie's back, we'll get the on-the-air test done. Midland 3001, which had previously been scrapped, audio chip ripped out of it, and the reason it will have been scrapped is because it had a phase lock loop problem, which was a bit of a snag. So it's all sorted out, and luckily one of the viewers has very kindly sent a scrap Maxcom 16E chassis in so I can recover the audio chip, so we don't have to charge this customer for that audio chip, because this repair was such that it would have been cheaper to buy 2 new sets, although of course he wanted a set that he wanted, not something which he didn't want. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger. Ready when you are.
Roger that.
So we're now on the extension speaker.
Right, we're passing out some recording.
Roger Dodger. So have we got a tone control on this one? Yes we have.
Roger that. So we're heading up towards the end of the lane. Field on the right is looking pretty green with patches of water.
Roger Dodger, still a glimmer of light, so that's I want to see what Raceby Warren looks like.
Roger that. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
So this radio came with a Duff battery leaked cheapo power mic, so we're using it on my standard replacement mic. I think the customer's got another mic, so that's fine.
Passing Ancaster service station 139.9 and 48.9.
Roger Dodger, and at this time they're still open.
Roger that. Passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger.
Looking forward to see whether there's still fire appliances down at Scratchy Corner.
Yeah, well, you'll find out in a minute. Passing the top of the hill as we're down in towards Wilsford.
Roger got you at the top of the hill.
Roger that. Chippie, we're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie, we're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
On the Midland 3001 from 1981, and he's doing full 4 watt hours, I think.
Yep, roger that, all received, no fire engines.
Good.
Crossing, over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn, over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Grayleys turn.
Roger, got you the Grayleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. So on this 1981, can't even remember, on this 1981 Midland 3001, built by Maxon, and it's the very earliest version, so it doesn't have the adjustable meter. It's drawing 900 milliamps to do a full 4 watt output, which is very efficient. We're going to switch it to low power. I've set it to 400 milliwatts. Here we go, 54321. Now we're on low power. It's drawing 890 milliamps. And then we're going to pop it back down. Now I'm in the wrong position. Try again. It doesn't have low power, does it? What am I talking about? These sets don't have low power. Over.
Roger.
Off you go.
Okay. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger on that. So you're going to book me into the old folks home?
Yeah, it looks like it.
Roger.
Right, we're square wheeled up the level crossing.
Roger, Dodger.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going over Raceby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Raceby level crossing.
Yeah, same as yesterday, 139.9, 148.9.
Roger on that, that worked great. That's test end, thank you.
Roger that, 10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going over Raceby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Raceby level crossing. Have you got a special price for me at that end, please? Over.
Yeah, same as yesterday, 139.9, 148.9.
Roger on that, that worked great. That test ends, thank you.
Roger that,
10-10.
10-10.
Absolutely super duper. Especially if I remembered it's been doing these for 40 years and forgot they don't have low power. Right, we'll go to our Midland base station, see what it sounds like on my standard replacement mic.
Tango 21, testing the Midland 3001 with my standard replacement mic into our Midland 76900 base station. Testing 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. And that's it. Thanks for watching.